Lying game. First, ask the students some normal questions. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your favorite color? We will play the lying game. The lying game. Kojima. Then, show them examples of how to lie. If I ask you, what is your name? You have to lie. You have to say, my name is Superman. My name is Batman. I like reading books. No. I like swimming on the moon. Place students in pairs and they have to ask each other questions and the other person has to lie. Let's try it again. What's your name?
My name is Chloe.
Chloe? What is your favorite toy?
Favorite toy is Nintendo.
Really? What's your name?
My name is Crystal.
Crystal. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is Zero.
Fox?
Yes.
Okay, my favorite animal is a fox. What's your name?
My name is Nomi Crystal.
Okay, Crystal, what is your favorite food? Soup. Okay, not bad. What's your name?
My name is Chloe.
We have two Chloes. 1, 2 Chloes. Wow. And what do you like to do?
I like
To?
swimming
Where?
in sky.
In space. And finally,
Sky.
what's your name?
Skydiving. My name is Jaden.
Jaden, what is your best friend? It can be an animal, it can be a book. My best friend is a what?
My best friend is hamster.
Hamster. A fun way to trick the students is by telling them that you will ask them 5 questions and they have to lie with each one. So pick a student and say, okay, I'm going to ask you 5 questions. Oh, what color is the sky? It's red. How many eyes do I have? You have 5 eyes. How tall am I? You are 700 feet tall. What number are we on again? And then they have to lie. Sometimes they say, oh, we're at number 1000. You're like, oh, you've played this game before. And then they usually forget they play about the game and they say, no, I haven't. And then you say, got you on the last one.